Here's something we see all the time. The ridge cap, it's got the sponge with the bent over matching shingle. This is a horizon. I've noticed this a lot with the horizons. See that? It looks like it's been tarred before too, so it's been an issue. But I see this all the time where these are popping through. So we'll definitely temporarily put some tar on those. Because that, look at it, it's all the way down. That will definitely lead to eventual leaks. I'm sure it's already getting down beneath here, and during heavy torrential rains, it probably drips in the attic.